Hey everybody, it's Neil. Check out this portable blender I have here. I'll show you guys what it looks like here and then we'll get it set up here in a second. But let's just show you what we have. So this is the blender here. So the latest and greatest newer versions have a lot more power and everything else. This is align the arrow with the dot before use. Okay, so that's when we're trying to screw it on. And then we have the power recharger on there. And we have the blades on here. Those look like some beastie blades. We have a cleaning brush. And let's open up the top here. I guess that's how we have to get some of this stuff out. And we have a bottom lid. I guess so if we wanted to take it off of the blender when we're done, we can do that. So let me go get some fruits or something in here. Actually, I'm gonna go clean it first and get some stuff in there and I'll show you that in a second. Okay, and here we are. I washed it out, so it's a little wet. I put some little mandarin orange segment thing in there and I have a bunch of apples in there. And so the way it says to do it is to double click to start and then single click to stop. Oh, man, and look at that. It's blending it up. I think I need to mix it up a little bit here to get the apples in there. It's got power. It's not slowing down at all. I could probably put frozen stuff in there and have it work. Look at that. I'm getting the whole apple orange mixture thing in here. I had the peels and everything on the apples. I cut out the seeds. I cut the core out. I think it's done. Oh, there we go. So let's see what we got here. Looks like it got it pretty well done here. Oh, I'll try it. Thick. Ooh, that's delicious though. I think it needs a little bit more mixing, so do a double click again. Let it go. But I just put the apples in there like that, so you can see there's a little bit of the skin in there, but it worked really well. And it's not very loud, so it's kind of cool, but totally fresh. I mean, you can't get fresher fruit mix than this. And it works great. So I'm gonna say this is cool. And then if I wanted to stop it, I just single click. So double click start, single click stop. So totally awesome. Thumbs up for sure.